All right, so this is an agree or disagree essay, and we're going to go ahead and talk about how to write an agree and disagree essay. Let's first go ahead and break down the essay here for you. So it says in companies, promotions to high positions should be given to employees inside the company, not to someone from outside or new hiring. Do you agree or disagree? Okay. So this is what is called an opinion based essay, where you simply choose one side and then go ahead and talk about that side of the essay. All right. So you can simply go ahead and paraphrase, where you can talk about, like, you can see that, in the current competitive era, in this current era of corporates, where everybody's fighting to get great promotion and great salaries. There are some who are of the opinion of this and some who think like this. But you talk about both these views. Here you can, if you want to add a general statement, you're more than welcome. In the thesis statement is where you say this essay will discuss my complete agreement on whichever side you want to take in subsequent paragraphs. So if, for example, if I'm saying this essay will discuss my complete agreement on employees getting promotions from within the company in subsequent paragraphs. So I'm already mentioning my opinion over here, and then I'm going ahead and writing it on the thesis statement saying that this essay will discuss this opinion, my complete agreement on this opinion in subsequent paragraphs. Okay. So, Kunal, tell me, how would you frame the thesis statement?
So I can write this essay will agree on the above notion and elucidate the points in extensive details in the subsequent paragraphs.
Fantastic. Yep, that's fantastic. You can do this. All right. So let's say, Harpreet, we are going on agreeing. We are agreeing that people should be promoted from within their company. Um, how? Okay, Harpreet, I think you have background noise, so I'll not ask you the questions. It's okay. You can probably type in your answers to me on the chat if you have any questions. What about you, Harry? So let's say if we are going with this notion that people from outside should not be like given promotions and not be hired and all of that. Let's say we are agreeing to this question. What will be your first point of agreement? Please tell me.
Mhm. Because the company is familiar with your work, the person how they work and handle the hectic
I think the
schedule.
first point that you guys should talk about would be loyalty.
Yes.
Loyalty, right? You can say that to begin with or to commence with, the major reason why companies should not promote employees from, or you can say should promote employees from within the company, is because these employees have been loyal. You can then go ahead and elaborate the points in that they've worked in the company for 2 or 3 years. They know the company's internal stakeholders, etc. They know the soul of the company. Every company has a way that they function, right? Some companies are very high on integrity, some are very high on performance. So the person who spent a couple of years inside already knows the soul of the company. You can then give an example and then quickly go ahead and close. Neha, what could be your second point of agreement?
We can write that as they are aware with the culture of the company, they can get the profits to the company by
You can
giving
simply
their,
talk about that they already know the company's process.
yeah.
And so you can say something like, having spent a couple of years in the company, the employee would obviously be aware of the company's process, procedures, products, etc., which will obviously make them eligible to look to take it to the next step, because they've already invested so much time learning and
Right.
understanding the product. Something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
You can then go ahead and explain it, give your examples, and close the idea. Then in the conclusion, you simply go ahead and talk about this essay discussed. To recapitulate, this essay discussed point A, point B, that this essay discussed the agreement using these points, supporting them with these points, and then you can talk about point A and point B. That's your complex sentence. Then you can give a general statement. You can write according to me, something like that, that people who've invested their time and energy, use their blood, sweat, and tears for the organization, should obviously be given preference above other people, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. So yeah, any questions on this? Anyone? Guys, any questions?
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Cool. All right, I'm going to stop recording then.